Students, we are going to start new chapter 7th, coordinate geometry. Very interesting topic, very easy topic. You can score marks easily in this topic. Okay, so to locate a point, we need to we divide our plane by two perpendicular lines. Okay, horizontal line is called your x-axis. Okay, and we say it x o x dash, and vertical line is called your y-axis, and we locate it, we say y o y dash. Correct or not? This divide our plane in 4 quadrants. Which two axes are there? Horizontal is called x-axis, your vertical line is called your y-axis, and it divides your plane into 4 quadrants. This is called your first quadrant, this is your second quadrant, this is your third quadrant, this is your fourth quadrant. Correct? Okay, and see this plane we say it Cartesian plane. This plane is called as Cartesian plane. Okay, Cartesian plane is divided into 4 quadrants by 2 perpendicular lines. Horizontal is x-axis, vertical is your y-axis. Now in first quadrant, the point is, OX, this side is x positive, this side is y positive. Left of this x-axis, this is x negative, and below this y-axis, this is y negative. So first quadrant is created by positive x, positive y. Here quadrant always comes x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. In second quadrant, you will be seeing your y is positive, but your x is negative. So the coordinates will be x is less than 0 but y is greater than 0. And third quadrant is made by negative x, negative y. So here x is less than 0 and also y is also less than 0. Okay, and fourth quadrant is made by positive x but negative y. So x is greater than 0 but y is less than 0. Okay, so suppose it is asked that 2, 3 is in which quadrant? Which quadrant? So I will be saying what that this is also positive, this is also positive, so it lies in first quadrant. It is in first quadrant. Okay, similarly if it is asked 2, minus 3, where x is greater than 0 but y is less than 0, x is greater than 0 but y is less than 0, in which one? Fourth quadrant. So it is in which one? Fourth quadrant. Now but if any point lies on x-axis, y coordinate always 0. So on x-axis, y coordinate is always 0, always 0. Okay, so coordinate in which form? The coordinates lies on x-axis. Coordinates lies on x-axis. Always in which form? h, 0. y coordinate always 0. अगर coordinate कहाँ पर होगा? अगर आपसे पूछा जाए 2, 0 lies in which quadrant, तो ये किसी quadrant में नहीं आएगा बेटा. यहाँ y coordinate 0 है तो it lies on x-axis. Correct or not? So you can say equation of x-axis is y equals 0. Equation of x-axis is y equals 0 because on x-axis always y coordinate 0. Okay, correct. Similarly, what that coordinates lies on y-axis. Coordinate lies on y-axis is in which form? On y-axis x coordinate 0, so it will be 0, k. It will be in which form? 0, k. So you can say equation, अगर आपसे पूछा जाए 0, minus 5 lies in which quadrant? So you will say it's not in any quadrant. It lies on y-axis. So equation of y-axis is what? Equation of y-axis is x coordinate 0. Okay, x coordinate 0. That is your equation of y-axis. Okay, now very important thing, if I say any coordinate here, suppose I am saying 2, 3. Okay, so what is your x coordinate is 2. Okay, and y coordinate is 3. तो 2 क्या है? x coordinate is called abscissa. x coordinate is called abscissa, y coordinate is called ordinate. अब x coordinate is perpendicular distance from y axis. x coordinate क्या है? आपकी perpendicular distance है from y axis. This is 2. ये चीज़ क्या है आपकी? 2. ओके. एंड y coordinate is your perpendicular distance from x axis. x axis से कितना perpendicular distance है? 3. ये आपका y coordinate है. तो what is your point P? I will say your x coordinate. X coordinate actually is what? It is called IE, abscissa also. Abscissa, okay, is perpendicular distance. See, question comes on this topic also. Perpendicular distance. It is your perpendicular. X coordinate, it is called abscissa also, is perpendicular distance from y axis. From y axis. ओके, y एक्सिस से कितना डिस्टेंस है? यही आपका x कोऑर्डिनेट है, करेक्ट. एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट i.e. we call it ordinate also. Ordinate is perpendicular distance from which? From x axis. From x axis. y coordinate क्या है आपका? This 3. Okay, that is your y coordinate is this one. Perpendicular distance from x axis से कितनी distance है? And this is what? Where both the axes meet. This point is called origin. और इसकी coordinate क्या होते हैं? 0, 0. O is called origin. O is called origin. And coordinates of origin is always 0, 0. What are the coordinates? 0, 0. This is your, okay. This is the basic concept of your coordinate geometry. You can locate point, you can get. Now what is actually we are going to study in this chapter? Distance between 2 points. Now the topic I am going to explain, that is distance between 2 points. Okay. Let our one point is P, whose coordinates are x1, y1. Okay. And one point is there Q, whose coordinates are x2, y2. Okay. And I want to know the distance between 2 points. Okay, so I will draw the perpendicular here, I will draw the perpendicular here. Okay, and I will join this, the line which is parallel to this one. Let this PQ, let this is R point, and let this is M and N. Okay, now see x1 यानी कि x1 coordinate क्या होगा? Origin से इतनी distance ही आपका x1 है, correct or not? This is means what your OM is your x1. y1 मतलब ये डिस्टेंस आपकी, pm क्या है आपका? y1. pm is equal to y1. okay, now what is your x2? x2 means this x2 coordinate q का x2 x coordinate कहाँ तक होगा? on आपका क्या है? on is your x2. okay, and what is your y2? y2 means your qn is your y2. okay, now listen, what is your qr? अगर हम बोले तो pm is equal to rn. pm is equal to rn, यानी कि ये अगर आपका y1 है तो ये भी y1 है. This distance is also y1. okay, and if I am saying what is qr now, so qr is equal to qn minus rn. what is your qn minus rn? तो qn आपकी टोटल डिस्टेंस y2 है, y2 माइनस rn किसके बराबर है? इसके बराबर है, तो y1. ये तो आ गई आपकी. ऐसे ही अगर बोले pr क्या है आपका? pr is equal to mn is equal to mn. pr किसके इक्वल है? mn के. और mn क्या है? on माइनस om. तो on किसका x कोऑर्डिनेट है? q पॉइंट का x कोऑर्डिनेट है, विच इज़ योर x2. तो x2 माइनस x1. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी PQR इज अ triangle. PQR is a right angle triangle. So using which theorem? Using Pythagoras theorem. We are going to say what? Hypotenuse square PQ square is equal to PR square plus QR square. अब PR square क्या है आपका? x2 minus x1 whole square प्लस QR स्क्वायर क्या है? y2 minus y1 होल स्क्वायर. ये आपका PQ स्क्वायर. तो PQ क्या हो गया? डिस्टेंस हो गई दोनों पॉइंट के बीच में. डिस्टेंस इज अंडर रूट ऑफ, दिस इज योर फॉर्मूला, x2 minus x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 minus y1 whole square. This formula you need to learn. Distance between 2 points, this is okay. Let mine P point is 2 comma minus 5 and my Q point is minus 3 minus 7. okay, find out PQ, distance between 2 point. तो ये हमारा x1 y1, ये हमारा x2 y2, correct or not? तो I am going to put in formula PQ under root of x2 minus x1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 7 minus of minus 5 plus 5 whole square. So that is yours minus 5 whole square plus what is your minus 2 whole square. So it will be under root of 25 plus 4. Answer is root 29 is your answer. Okay, and if you want to find out the distance from the origin, any point is there p x y. तो अगर कोई पॉइंट है यहाँ पे p x कॉमा y, तो डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ऑरिजिन, ऑरिजिन के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है 0 0, तो डिस्टेंस क्या हो गई x2 माइनस x1, x माइनस 0 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस व्हाट इज योर y माइनस 0 का होल स्क्वायर. तो डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ऑरिजिन इज व्हाट रूट x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर. एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन द क्लास. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.